Class 9, Chapter 13, Surface Areas and Volumes, Module 1 and 2. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about surface areas of cuboid and cube, volume of cuboid and cube. Children, last class we have studied the surface areas of cuboid and cube. Now some questions related with it. A small indoor greenhouse, which is called herbarium, is made entirely of glass panes, including base, held together with tape. It is 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm high. Now the first question, what is the area of the glass? Second question, how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges? Now listen carefully. A small indoor greenhouse, which is called herbarium. So it is in the shape of a cuboid. Included the base is also given. So we need to find out its total surface area. Its length, breadth and height are given. So what is the area of the glass? So the equation is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now when we substitute all the values, at last what we get? 4250 centimeter square. Now the second question, how much of tape is needed for all that 12 edges? So we know a cuboid having 12 edges, that is it having what, 4 length, 4 breadth and also 4 height. Now we need to find out the length of the tape required for making this greenhouse. Okay, so that is what, 4 into 30 plus 25 plus 25. That is the length of the 4 edges is equal to what, 320 meter. Okay. Now the next question. Shanti's sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of the dimension 25 cm by 20 cm by 5 cm and the smaller of the dimensions 15 cm by 12 cm by 5 cm. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4,000 centimeters square, find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Now listen carefully here. Bigger dimensions and also having smaller of dimensions are given. Okay, now first we need to find out the surface area of the box of the size bigger one, that is 25 cm by 20 cm by 5 cm. Now what is that total surface area? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. When we substitute all the values, at last what we get? 1450 centimeter square. Now the bigger of 250 boxes are there. So the surface area of 250 such boxes, bigger boxes, is equal to 1450 into 250, which is equal to 3,62,500. Now the second one, what? Smaller. So a surface area of the box of the dimension 15 cm by 12 cm by 5 cm, which is equal to what? 630 when we substitute all the values. Now it is also what? 250 such boxes. So surface area of 250 such boxes is equal to what? 250 into 630, which is equal to 1,57,500 centimeters square. Now the total surface area of the both boxes, smaller and also larger, what? 3,62,500 plus 1,57,500. So what we get at last? 5,20,000 centimeters square. Now area of the sheet required for making 250 such boxes of each, including extra required area of 5% for overlaps, etc. Okay, so 5% is what? Extra required is. So the first area 5,20,000 plus the 5% of 5,20,000 is what? Extra, is equal to, at last what we get? 5,46,000 centimeters square. Now at last we need to find out what? The cost of the sheet at the rate of ₹4 per what? 1000 centimeters square. So 4 by 1000 into 5,46,000, which is equal to what? ₹2,184. Okay students. Now the next one. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car with a front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimension 4 meter by 3 meter? Now the solution is an length, breadth and height are there. So we need to find out what? The area of the tarpaulin required to cover 4 sides and the roof, which is equal to L into B, roof, plus 2 into L plus B into H. What is that? The 4 sides. Now substitute all the values. At last what is that? Area is equal to 47 meters square. Okay, now the equation. Volume of the cuboid and cube. So very simple equation. Volume of the cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Now volume of the cube is equal to what? Side into side into side, which is equal to A cube. Now the next question. A matchbox measures 4 cm by 2.5 cm and 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes? So how many boxes are there? Small 12 boxes are there. So first we need to find out a volume of the one matchbox. So that is L into B into H is equal to 4 into 2.5 into 1.5, which is equal to 15 centimeter cube. Now volume of 12 boxes is equal to 15 into 12, which is equal to what? 180 centimeter cube. Now the next one. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? Then one condition given, 1 meter is equal meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Now the capacity of the tank is equal to what? First the volume you need to find out. That is 6 meter into 5 meter into 4.5 meter, which is equal to 135 meter cube. Now 135 meter cube is given. We need to change that into liter. So meter cube is larger, as smaller is what? Liter. So we need to change that into liter. We multiply with the 1000. When we multiply 135 by 1000, which is equal to what? 1,35,000 liter. Now the last question, listen. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high? The height we need to find out. Must it be made to hold through 380 cubic meters of a liquid? H is the height of the vessel we can take. Then 10 meter into H into 8 meter is equal to 380 meter, which is equal to 80 into H. So it is not meter square, which is equal to 380 meter cube. Now at last what we want to find out, the value of h is equal to 380 by 80 meter is equal to 4.75 meter. Clear students? Okay, thank you.